Looking for one appliance that can replace half your kitchen? The Beelicious 32QT Extra Large Air Fryer is built to handle everything from quick snacks to full family meals with power, space, and versatility. Right away, the massive 32QT capacity stands out. You can fit a 13-inch pizza, multiple slices of toast, or even a whole chicken, making it perfect for families or entertaining guests. This isn't just an air fryer, it's a 19-in-1 cooking system that can air fry, bake, roast, broil, toast, dehydrate, and even rotisserie. It essentially replaces several appliances, saving both space and time in your kitchen. Powered by 1800W with 360 degrees hot air circulation, it cooks food quickly and evenly while using little to no oil, giving you that crispy texture without the extra grease. The digital touchscreen makes it easy to control, while precise temperature sensors help eliminate cold spots for consistent results every time. You also get 6 useful accessories, including a fry basket, baking pan, rotisserie set, and more, all detachable and easy to clean. Whether you're cooking quick meals, prepping healthy snacks, or hosting a gathering, this air fryer oven gives you flexibility, speed, and convenience in one sleek countertop unit. If you want a powerful, all-in-one cooking solution that saves time and delivers great results, this is a solid choice for any modern kitchen. Click the link below for the best price.